Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're going to unlock the power of deep understanding from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations and how it can profoundly transform our approach to learning and personal growth. Let's dive in. In Meditations, we find a treasure trove of wisdom that has inspired countless individuals over centuries. One of the essential lessons comes from Book 1, where Marcus Aurelius expresses gratitude to those who shaped him, including his teacher, Quintus Junius Rusticus. Rusticus imparted a principle vital to our discussion today. One must read attentively, not being satisfied with a vague understanding, and not to hastily agree with anyone who says something to you. This advice from Rusticus is not about simply reading, it's about engaging deeply, seeking true clarity, and absorbing knowledge so that it becomes a part of our very being. This principle is something we must cultivate in our own lives if we want to grow and develop resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm. Rusticus's influence on Marcus didn't stop there. He introduced him to another profound Stoic thinker, Epictetus. Marcus didn't merely skim through Epictetus's works. He delved deeply into them, scrutinizing and internalizing the teachings. Paul Johnson humorously remarked that Edmund Wilson read books as if he were judging the author for his life. Marcus approached his reading of Epictetus with the same rigor. The lessons he absorbed were so thoroughly examined that they became embedded in his DNA, guiding him even amidst the immense luxury and power he wielded as an emperor. This kind of deep reading and thorough understanding is what separates superficial skimming from transformative learning. It's about more than just taking in information. It's about allowing that information to shape and guide our principles and actions. This depth of understanding fosters resilience because it prepares us to face life's challenges with a well-fortified mind. But how do we adopt this practice in our own lives? One effective method is to focus on small, manageable portions of text each day. That's why I advocate reading one page a day rather than an entire chapter. This slower pace allows us the time to engage thoughtfully and carefully with the material, encouraging us to reflect deeply and truly grasp the concepts. When we read attentively and resist the urge to agree hastily with every opinion we encounter, we develop a more robust and thoughtful perspective. This practice doesn't just apply to reading, but to all forms of learning and interaction. When we converse with others, listening attentively and seeking to understand rather than merely hear, we build stronger connections and gain richer insights. So, here's my challenge for you today. Pick a short passage from a book that inspires you. Maybe it's a piece from the Meditations or any other work that resonates with you, and spend some time with it. Read it slowly, reflect on its meaning, and consider how it applies to your life. Write down your thoughts and revisit them throughout the week. Does this practice alter your perception or actions in any way? Share your experiences with our community, and let's learn and grow together. To sum up, the lesson from Rusticus and Marcus Aurelius is clear. Strive for deep understanding. Engage with the material and the world around you attentively, scrutinizing and reflecting on the lessons you encounter. By doing so, you'll build a foundation of knowledge and wisdom that will guide you through the complexities of modern life with resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm. Thank you for joining me today, friends. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from these timeless teachings. Let's continue to implement Stoic principles into our daily lives and create a community of thoughtful, resilient individuals ready to face whatever life throws our way. Until next time, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you in the art of Stoic living. Stay resilient and keep striving for deeper understanding.